Happy Friday, guys. Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So Palantir is down again, down 3% on the day right now. And earlier this morning, I'm sure a lot of you guys saw by now, we hit $78 per share. So we hit the high 70s for the first time. And honestly, I don't even know how long. Let me pull these charts up. Definitely a couple of weeks, probably a month. Yeah, looks like last time we were in the high 70s, low 80s was about a month ago. Yep, late January. So essentially, we just erased all the gains from February. You guys can see as now we're heading into March, obviously tomorrow. So today's the last day, trading day of February and last day of February, right? Or do we have 29 days this year? Don't we have that on certain years? Nope, not this year. Or maybe I'm wrong. Either way, ignore that, guys. So yeah, we've erased all the gains, and it does not look like it's getting better for the bulls. We are obviously under both moving averages here, about to get a death cross even. I mean, guys, the 50 SMA is about to cross under here, under the 180 SMA. And let me show you this time frame. I mean, do I have to say anything? Clearly in a downtrend, and we obviously took out the lows this morning. I don't think we were under 80, until this morning, and I popped the stock up in the pre-market. I was like, ooh, we're down like 3-4% in the pre-market. And since that, we have rebounded, but not really not a significant amount to the point where we're breaking out or anything. It just kind of looks like a relief rally, but the bulls or the bears are still in charge, and the bulls are really nowhere to be found at this point, man. So yeah, that's what we're noticing in the very short term. We're down 3%, and by the way, the stock market isn't getting crushed today. I mean, we have the NASDAQ, let's see where we're at, up 0.1%. Okay, I mean, it's not a great green day by any means, but we have QQQ up 0.1, same with the S&P pretty much, and the Dow. Russell's down about a 0.05%, not much, so pretty flat day overall, but Palantir is still getting hammered here, and overall, in the grand scheme of things, guys, this is a big support. You know, where we're at now. If I draw this out, and we've mentioned it before, $80 to $85 per share is where we held support all of February up until now, right? We'll see if we hold it now. And that was resistance all throughout December into January, you guys can see. So it looks like for now, you guys can see we are holding this level as support. You guys see right here, boom, boom. You guys see all these levels. Why does it not want to work? There we go. So it's critical that this spot holds. Now, if it doesn't, which I don't know, if this trend continues, I mean, we just hit the high 70s. It could slip even more. It might be going back down on the lower end. You could argue, let's see where this is at. On the lower end, Palantir, you could argue, could go to $63. But, I mean, that's worst case scenario almost in the short term. That's the low from, when was that? Mid-January. So we hit $63. That's on the lower end of this range. Another level you could say is about 70. 70 held as support, it looks like, in December, heading into the new year a little bit there. So that's where we could go. If this thing slips through 80, I mean, we already did this morning. If this downtrend continues in the short term, we might be filling this gap down to 70, $72 a share. Then if that were to break, again, worst case, maybe not the worst case scenario in the short term, but it sure isn't the best. It could be going down to $63, $64, which was the low from back mid-January. So at this point, it's the moment of truth for the bulls, really, in the short term. We are getting some green right here, a bit of a rally, but it's not too convincing yet. It really isn't, guys. And we'll see how it ends up playing out. And of course, it's Friday. We're heading into the weekend, so we're going to have some time to ponder on this a bit. But, that's what I'm thinking. What are you guys thinking? Let me know in the comments down below. And join the email list, guys. It's free, and I send out my top stocks weekly right to your inbox. Put your first name and your email address using that link down below, guys. And again, it's free. Make sure to sign up. So that's a quick rundown here on Palantir. And I might as well set my alerts before I forget. Let me do that now. I'll do one at $80 per share. Let's do markets at or below. Okay. I'll do another one at maybe at 85. I think if we start breaking past 85, we might get more momentum in the short term. We'll see. But I just put it at 85 for now. And let me see what other stocks are moving today. It's about, 1:45 when I'm making this video. So we have about 2 hours left of trading. Let's see where we're at. So we have Monster moving, MNST. This one's popping up around 5%. The company just reported earnings, guys, I think yesterday. Yeah, yesterday after the bell. So let's see what Monster did. Looks like adjusted EPS of 38 cents, which missed the 40 cents expected, but sales beat $1.81 billion versus $1.79. So mixed bag there, but they beat on sales, which is good. Let's see here, guys. What else? Anything on guidance? Looks like we have Citigroup. A lot of these analysts are bullish. So Citigroup has a buy rating, $64 price target. JP Morgan, neutral rating. Let's see. Deutsche Bank, buy rating, $61 price target. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, a lot of people are bullish there on, or the analysts, right? The banks. But we're approaching a big resistance here. Do you guys see it on the charts? We're approaching 55, 56, which is a big spot here. That was where we failed in, when was that? November, mid-November. We kind of got a nice head and shoulders that played out there. Now we're starting to break back out. Will we get out of this 56 level, 57? We're pretty much there. That's the spot, guys. And if we get out of there, I'll set my alert at 56 on Monster here. Let's see on the 3-year. Where are we looking at? We could be going towards $60, man. That's the reality on this one. So MNST, I like the setup here. Let's see if we break out of there and continue this momentum. What else do we got? Did Roblox report today or yesterday? I don't think so. No, yeah, they were a couple of weeks ago. Who else reported earnings? CrowdStrike, they're early on in March here, but we can see this one's starting to slip under about 375, which you guys can see that. Or no, it's actually at 385, but if it does start slipping under 375-ish, bigger sell-off could come. But hey, I'd be buying more there. I think Tesla is running today. Let's pull this up a bit. But this thing, I mean, do we not call this out? We literally called this out to a T. I was like, guys, watch out for this. If we break through 320, boom, 280s next, 275. We're there now. So I think buyers might come in here. We might get this relief rally like I was thinking before. I'm not buying Tesla here. I kind of want to get it cheaper. I think we might be able to. If it falls through 265 to 270, man, we might be going back to low 200s, which at that point, I think I might be buying a bit there. We'll see. For a rebound play, I think ultimately, man, it's not going to stay in the hundreds, high hundreds, low 200s for long, if it even gets there. What do you guys think about that? But at this point, I think it's oversold. We might get the relief rally in the short term, but that might be met with more selling. We shall see about that, guys. So what are your thoughts overall? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button on this video. If you guys liked it, feel free to subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subs, guys. And get your 30 stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% for now. So use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. The clock's ticking, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.